Today we will be looking at an advanced testing of the Drake delay stochastic indicator.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
Alright, as I said, today we will be looking at an advanced testing of the Drake delay stochastic indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 67 different strategies, with 18 of them being profitable. The best one so far was able to achieve an 80% win rate. That would be the trading strategy we have developed here on the channel. I'll put a thumbnail of it up on the screen right now and link to it up in the corner, as well as put a link to it at the end of this video. If you're looking for a tested, proven, profitable strategy, I highly recommend you check that one out. We've also tested a total of 879 indicators, with 370 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 68 of the winning indicators. 26 of them have been able to maintain the winning status. The best two, a 76% win rate. Now keep in mind that we test most of these strategies and indicators on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Okay, so today we are looking at an advanced testing of the Drake delay stochastic indicator. You can see it here on the bottom of the screen. Did make a few visual changes to this, and so in the default form, it looks like this right here. And so what we did was went into the background colors right there, color 0. We're going to take that to 50% opacity. Color 1, we're going to switch that to red, and also take that one to a 50% opacity. And that gives us the background as we see here. In the original testing, it did 23 trades within the 1 year's time at a 60% win rate. So we did keep it on the daily time frame with the default take profit and stop, as you see right here. In the original video, the setup on this was pretty easy. When we get a red background, that is a signal to go short. When we get a green background, that is a signal to go long. For example, we pick up a short right here as the background switches from green to red, and you see that we get a nice drop in price action there that would have gotten us to our take profit. Then moving forward here, we get a green background here as we switch from that red to the green, and again a nice push to the upside there, which again would have gotten us to our take profit. So that's how we tested it in the original video. That's how we tested it in the advanced testing as well. Before we take a look at what it was able to achieve in the advanced testing, I'd like to give a quick shout out to our Discord server. So this is our Discord server right here. It is free to join. Most of the channels here are free, but we do have a Patreon only channel set up just for our patrons to take advantage of some great advanced information. For example, this is Sasquatch here. He is an amazing Forex prop trader. He's posting charts on a regular basis where he's marked out areas of support and resistance, areas of interest. If I scrolled back here, you'd see that we get quite a few charts like this where he really dives in and marks out areas of interest, different kind of wedge patterns or different candle patterns in general. Really awesome information that he's putting out for everyone to see. You can really learn a lot from the charts that he's putting out, just kind of following along with his trades. Sometimes he'll also post kind of the trades that he's looking to take. We also have Mike from Upright Trading. He's one of our admins. He does a really great job of explaining indicators and helping out with indicators and just general trading knowledge kind of all around. That's kind of what this was right here, responding to kind of a new member asking a question. But Mike from Upright Trading has a lot of really cool indicators that he's developed himself. Some are paid, some are free, but all of them are really super cool. And I believe they all are free to test out. And so he really goes above and beyond to kind of help us out and explain a lot of great stuff. It's just a really great environment. As well as all that, you will also get access to some indicators that I've developed myself. The last video that I did was on the best day trading strategy that we have created. It is a very profitable strategy. This video was on the Forex market, but I also have a video where we've tested it on the crypto market as well. In that video, I obviously show the indicators that we use, which are the private indicators that we have developed. And I've actually created a guide around that particular strategy, as you can see right here. Again, go back and watch that video if you are interested. But this guide basically contains the links to the private coded indicators that I was talking about. Big shout out to Mike from Upright Trading for coding those indicators for us. It also has the optimized settings of the particular indicators. It has the list of the specific markets and pairs or coins, as well as the different time frames that the strategies that the strategy works on, as well as just general optimization tips. And so as I am testing this strategy on different markets and different pairs, different time frames, and so on, I'll be constantly updating this guide and putting it out for everyone, pinned in the Patreon only channel for our patrons to have easy access to understanding what the strategy works on, how it specifically works, and the optimization of everything. So a bunch of great benefits to becoming a patron of the channel. I highly recommend that you join us. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at the advanced test here. Get this back here a little bit. All right, so like usual, we did the 50 trade test. Out of those 50 trades, we got 18 winning trades. We got 32 losing trades. Going to put us at a 36% win rate. And so that does significantly drop that win rate from the original testing. It's going to put us under that 60% that we are looking for. And so we also tested this one another way in the part 2 of the testing videos, and so we'll test this one again on that part 2. I'm not sure how well that one did, or if it did better than the 60%, but for now this one is going to drop on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.